Hey y'all, what's up? My name is Chris Robertson. I sing and play guitar for the band Blackstone Cherry, and recently I put up some brand new presets and an impulse response pack on the Line 6 marketplace. I'm super excited to have these things out to the world, and I just want to take you through a quick run through of the sound of this patch, preset, whatever you want to call it, and I'll go through each one of the 8 stomps, and let you hear the wah as well as explain the expression pedal for the Leslie effect. So here we go. So when you load it in, you'll put the impulse into your desired preset. I'm not sure which number it is on the actual. Let me look over here at HX Edit. So I had it in number 87. It's the Patriot Blend Mix IR. So here's what, when it comes up, no stomps engaged, this is the sound you're gonna get. Pretty cool, kind of a classic old Plexi kind of sound. And now I'm going to hit the drive, which is basically, this is kind of how I had an old 73 Mark II 50 watter. And this is kind of what it sounded like, the best I remember. It was a great amp. But this is when you turn on the drive. I love that. That's kind of that classic, just screaming sound to me. So the next thing that I would use the most probably the lead boost, and that is going to be a kinky boost with the bright off. You'll see it in there. It's the kinky boost and a delay, and trail's always on. Always trail's on. Then we've got an octave. Then we have a dotted eighth delay that's on the tap tempo. Then the Leslie, and what's really cool about the Leslie on this is when you engage that stomp. You rock the toe forward, and it basically works as your brake, so you can do it with your foot. A perfect example of this is like the song Bad Habit of ours, where it goes the slow to fast thing, and you control it all your foot. I really thought that was cool, and I love little things like that the helix can do. Then we have my signature Shut the Fuzz Up, which is kind of it's got a little slap with it. Then we have our standard fuzz. Then my favorite thing of the whole thing, especially amid all this Corona pandemic, is the more room feature, which just makes it sound like you're in a big, huge room, and I love it. So here's a little bit of that. like it with the fuzz that way too. Oh yeah, the wah. Forgot the wah. Here we go. I'll leave the room on and I'll turn the lead boost back on. I hope that was enough for you to check out the sounds. Plan on putting the sounds up for the dumbfounded preset as well soon, and I'm going to go through the hours for you soon. But this is my first one, so here we go, man. Thanks.